convoy, Tennessee, headed into Jonesboro. This is the second, maybe third that we've seen. They've got airborne patches, we think, which is funny because that sure don't look like a plane. We're good.
And so what we did is I was over there this morning to get, we're going to do it right. And we're going to get you guys a better system. You guys are going to hopefully have options.
You know, all that is private land.
Yes. And actually I was with the sheriff this morning and the major, and they gave, you know, we pulled it up to see who owns what, and I spoke with you saying on this side? Mm-hmm. Yeah, so who owns that? You? No. Who owns that? The sheriff said that he would.
The lady in
Sure.
That's where the road used to be. Over there too.
That's about.
You know, Kelvin, this road looks great. I don't know why you guys don't just use it the way that it is.
That's what I tried to tell him, man. I asked him if I could make my motorcycle down it. He told me I was
you
crazy.
probably could. Dirt bike, I mean.
Almost. It gets worse down here.
Does it?
Yeah.
Is that where your ropes are at?
Sir?
Is that where your ropes are at?
No, sir. We actually decommissioned what the fire department came and tried to put to pushing people off the mountain. That's where the mark almost fell off.
Gotcha.
So no, everything that we've tried to do up here has just kind of been counterproductive because they were talking building this and digging that. And so
Yeah.
Yeah, and you're pretty much home free there. You can cruise across. Yep. Looks up out of your way. Yeah, if you need to grab me, you can. Alright, and you guys, let's keep going so this is one.